sneak peek. Oh, first fall. The trolley sucks.
What's up, my dudes? Welcome in Kuala Lumpur or Malaysia. So I will meet up with Jerold, the owner of Future Speed. Wrong line. And they just received the Kingsong S19, which I'm quite excited about. Not about the wheel, because I don't know, I'm not excited about the S19. There's just nothing about it which excites me. But anyways, it's I think it hasn't released yet, so I'm excited about seeing a wheel which is officially not available for most of the people. I think that's pretty cool. By the way, I always take the stairs. Every calorie counts. Let me just figure out how to get there, and I will keep you updated.
First owner S19 dalam Malaysia. Macam biasa lah, muka yang memang dah boring.
He's just introducing the S19 and doing the unboxing, and I can be there live with him.
Kita akan bagi laluan dekat orang lain.
And he just received the 2 S19s today.
Semua unit. Tanpa melengahkan masa, tolong sambil kita menceceh tu.
So it's a live unboxing. I don't understand anything. And he owns 25 EUCs. Crazy. And yeah, quite some people here. Really nice and welcoming, by the way. Ooh, take a look. Before S18, but like chrome.
Pete, come. Floaty Pete, kita punya member from Germany. Floaty Pete from Stuttgart, Germany. So jangan lupa follow IG dia. Dia ada record kat ni.
Thank you so much.
Welcome, guys. Welcome to Malaysia. Pete.
Yeah.
What kind of rider are you? You like off-road?
I'm off-road.
Like street road?
I'm all the way off-road.
Off-road?
Yeah.
Off-road rider, yeah. If you lucky today because this is your first time in Malaysia, I think. How many days already in Malaysia?
1 day.
This is first day.
Second day.
Second day.
Yeah.
You arrived yesterday.
Exactly.
And you straight away go and see the unboxing.
Yeah.
Okay, lucky for you.
Super lucky.
Okay. We have a special guest also. This Malaysian rider called him an alien because he's play unlike any other rider in Malaysia for UC off-road.
Oh really?
It's called Anip, but he haven't arrived yet.
But he will be here?
He will be here because he want to see if this wheel can certify him for off-road desire.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah.
Okay, so kita tengok pada yada. Wah, kali ni blah blah blah. Unlike Bigot, they're writing in English now. Okay, international language. Alhamdulillah.
And he's a funny person.
Yeah, normal, semo. 100 volt. This is actually the first Kingsong 100 volt. Kingsongs never have 100 volt before. They straight away go to 126, which is S22 Pro. Okay, ni charger. Ada charger? Mana? Pump lah. Wah, this time pump ada kotak. We have to use English language, the international language, because our friend Pete over here.
You don't need to.
Now they're using different type of charger. Same like Sherman. Okay, you guys. As you can see, sama dengan S22. Okay, sneak peek. Wait. Jangan tarik. Dia. Yeah. Terusi, tak payahlah Martos tambah lagi EVA foam. Sedap, bagus. Good. Yes, unlike Bigot. Oh, Pete, by the way, if you haven't seen my review or unboxing before, I don't have fear to say bad things about other brand if they're bad, and I don't have a fear to say good things about other brand if they're good.
That's good.
So
I like that.
Feel free to hear if you are any other brands fans. maybe I'll say sorry at first place. Huh? Okay. It feels a lot more quality than Be Good as usual. Any brand can beat Be Good free packs quality easily. But normally, as a professional rider, we don't bother because we still gonna buy our own power packs. Okay, without further ado, let's take out this 32 kg. Oh, okay, because we get used to all the heavy wheel, 40 kg, 50 kg. Suddenly, this 32 kg wheel feels damn light. Okay, this is it.
Police.
Oi, battery 22% only, so cannot testing like hell.
Okay, so is it balancing? Unlock already. Okay.
Yeah. Mahal ni.
So is it still
Huh? Okay, the trolley sucks. Doesn't lock. Doesn't lock. Ada pegang somewhere untuk dia ni. Okay, jap. Ke bukan sebab. Oh. Okay, so imagine if you want to go upstairs, off-road. So just like hold and disengage. Just like Kingsong before. Okay, good features. Good features, but lousy trolley because this doesn't have any locks. International songs, please. Okay, I can feel it that this pedal absolutely enemy for the mud.
King Mia song?
Not that good. The spike is combined together with the pedal. Tambah.
It's like a bass lah. Got sound. Music with bass.
Oh.
Itu lawan.
Tak, dia boleh berkut terus loh. Berkut terus.
That's a good speaker. That's good, right?
Tarik sini lah.
Woo!
Dia tu.
Pusra Jaya.
Wow, gila.
Bling. Okay, test.
First right. Yo.
What do you ride in Germany?
T4 V2 and M10 4.
Okay, dah. Ready?
Yeah.
Bro, sikit.
Over it.
Bro, sikit.
No, not off-roading.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay. Boleh ride lagi lah. Push. Oh, like that je lah. Oh, like that saja.
Dia clear.
Oh, naikkan saja. Tak payah tekan apa-apa. Oh, something I think be good. You guys kena belajar everything song macam nak buat. Proper lah, not just power.
Fall down, automatic off. And see the light all complete dim.
Oh, like that tak payah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Apa? Angkat.
Now all the music
Angkat. Be good. If you see this no need to do the ridiculous another button tu for the unbalancing tu kan. Just buat macam ni lagi senang lah. Wait, mana international ni? Okay, shout out to all fellow riders from Germany. So this is an S19.
You want to
test? You want to test? Yeah. I allow you to test.
Really?
Because once broken, Jerold will pay for everything. You no need to worry. Come. Let I hold for you.
Just come to know about. Once you put here, the balance is
It's touch.
Yep.
Oh wow.
And once you just release here, then the balance. So when you are, just take note of that lah.
Wow. Okay, that's next
Aku
level.
tak berani cuba apa tau. Pegang masa ride lah. Okay.
Nice suspension.
Right, I just do that, bro.
I don't want to destroy anything.
Ceria.
It feels good. It feels nice.
Feels nice.
Yeah. Nice. Thank you so much.
How's it feel? How's it feel so far?
Good. Like the suspension feels good. Like really smooth, I would say.
How many kgs are you?
I'm 85.
Kg?
Yeah.
Kilogram, eh?
Yeah. So
5 kilograms.
I think I would put a little more pressure on it.
Yeah. Put more pressure, eh?
Yeah. But it's really smooth.
Really smooth?
Yeah. Like for the first beginning, so I'm impressed.
If you have it, would you test it on the off-road?
I mean, I like off-roading, so I would definitely go. Off-roading with it. What I would be concerned about is the pads.
The pads.
Yeah, because
You need to add on some more? Maybe more on that?
yeah, because this is just it's not a lot over here. So if you want to go off-roading and you want to jump,
Yes.
maybe your foot slides away a little
Some
bit.
jump blocks over there.
Yeah. And I don't know if you can change it easily.
Huh?
I don't know if you can change it easily.
Yeah, but I don't think so. It can be changed, bro.
Yeah,
Part of the body.
yeah, like that's what I was concerned about the S19 when I saw it.
All this is global concern, I think. Because
Yeah.
I don't think so. This is part of the body, man.
Yeah,
The power pad is a part of the body.
yeah.
No way to
So-
remove it at all.
That's like it's. I don't know if it's good or bad. But I like the pedal size because I have really big feet.
Yes, yes. How many size are you? 10, 11?
13.
13? Oh my god, you're bigger than mine? Seriously? Yeah, man, serious, man.
The
I
European.
have one of the biggest
Yeah.
foot
Yeah.
in you see that in Malaysia, you know, but you're still bigger than mine. I can feel squat have some power compared to other. I think even S22 Pro might have some trouble for it. Oh, first fall, bro. First fall, bro.
I record now.
Okay. 32 kg is the new 25 kg, you know.
We used to it.
You should check out his video, man. Normally, he's upload on TikTok and
Okay.
Facebook.
Yeah,
He's right like crazy, you know.
I will check it out.
If
What?
if the wheel can speak,
Yeah.
they know Anit's gonna be the owner. They will beg for their life, you know. Kalau main off road kan, siang kan aku rasa kena tutup ni. Tak nak lumpur masuk belakang.